Keeley is such a messy eater. Look at all this seed she's throwing everywhere. I didn't have any of this seed on me a second ago. She's just throwing it everywhere. I think I vacuumed this floor about earlier today. I do love her going through it though. Ugh. Look at you. You know you're throwing stuff down there so you can forage for it later. Look at that, what was that for? Don't do it again. Don't worry guys, it happens every time, you know it's a police car. Oh my god. No wonder my feet hurt every time I walk through the room. Like standing on loads of bits of rice. Ugh. Anybody would think you've lost something in there. I can't believe how much of a messy eater you can be. You not see that you got in there. You didn't think you'd have to dig so deep and throw so much of it all over the place. Look at that! I'm so grateful for vacuum cleaners, you know. Because this would be an absolute nightmare having to pick up all these seeds individually. Look at this. Look at you. Oh, never change, sweetie. Have a lovely day.